Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iPhone 6 Plus smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set hotspot in your phone, mobile hotspot in your phone, iPhone 6 Plus. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to personal hotspot here and turn on the button against personal hotspot. And here, click on Wi-Fi hotspot. You can set a Wi-Fi password here. Wi-Fi password here I have set 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 up to 8 characters you should set. Minimum 8 characters you should set. Click on done. Okay, this is Wi-Fi password as of now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You should create some complex password in order to protect your password from others. Okay, and then to connect this hotspot to other device, bring another device here and then go to the Wi-Fi on another device and it will scan available Wi-Fi. This is the mobile hotspot. Okay, hotspot is scanned here and it's showing here, and if you click on it, it will ask you to enter the password of the hotspot. So what the password you set there, you have to give here to connect. Yes, it is now connected. Okay, yes, it is connected. And then go to Google Chrome and search anything. Yes, it's working very well. So in this way you can easily connect mobile hotspot to other device. Okay, you can create mobile hotspot and then you can connect it to other device. Okay, so in this way you can easily set mobile hotspot in your phone, iPhone 6 Plus. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.